So what's up guys, you all remember this. Let me show you. Of course I believe you will if you're familiar with this channel. Well, it's the solar power storage I bought few months ago, and the sad news is that it got spoiled. It actually spoiled few months back, but I haven't put up a video concerning it because I really dumped it and I really don't have time to see if I can repair it, but I think I should focus on repairing it at the moment. So the sad news is that it really didn't last. It lasted just a few months. How did it go spoiled? I'll tell you in the course of this video so that you prevent reoccurrence or letting it happen in your own aspect, so that once you're using this device, of course, it's going to last for you. In case you're bumping across this channel for the first time, Chibuzago is my name. Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. It's actually a technology related channel whereby I bring you information from the technology world as a whole, how to tutorials, and of course that's the more reason why you should be part of this channel. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Of course you get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial based video all related to technology. So with that, we'll be looking at the solar energy power storage in this video. Let's see what happens and how we can prevent yours from getting damaged easily, just the way I did mine. So now let's jump into the video. So this is the box it came with. As you can see, this is the name Energy Storage. I really don't want to do an advert for this brand, and yes, this is how it goes. This is the specifications. Is a 150 watts solar energy storage, and yes, this is the image, and of course the shows shot. I've talked about it in my previous video. Maybe you should just check up that video. So now the thing is that at the moment this is the switch that's supposed to power it on. So once I turn it on, you see it's not coming up. And I believe by now the battery must have drained severely because I left it for some period of time. This is a 2 USB cable it came with, whereby you can easily connect your USB cable and to any device you want to charge, be it your phone, your tablet, and in some cases your laptop. This is the AC outlets where you can connect to larger devices, be it your laptop or your tablets, and also your television in some cases. So this is a 2 outputs whereby it came, and there's a bulb that's in this box. I don't want to bring it out. So this is like a lamp, and this is how it looks like. This is the full specification. As you can see, the AC output, the AC outputs, the charging input is 14.6 volts, and of course the solar panel capacity which you use in charging should be below 50 watts, as you can see, and of course it's made in China. So now we shall be looking at the solar panel. I'll connect it to the solar panel. You see how it works. It's the same way it malfunctions whenever I plug it to the lights. It's not coming up, nothing is actually working. Once you power it to for instance, this is the input whereby you both the DC input whereby you both connect your solar panel, and also the charger it came with. The charger is somewhere else. I'll have to look for it if it need be in this video, but I don't want to use the electricity sockets to charge it at this moment, but I want just strictly the solar panel. So this is where you connect it to, and of course from the description it should be below 50 watts. I have a 50 watt solar panel that's below or exactly 50 watt. Let's see, as you can see, it should be less than 50 watts. So I have a 50 watts panel. I will try it out. Now let's see how it works. So this is the 50 watts solar panel right here. So but all I have to do is I have to take it outside so that the sun rays will heat it. Thank God the sun is actually shining at the moment, so we can test run it and see how it works. So I've placed the solar panel outside, and I believe some good amount of sun rays is actually hitting it. So now let's go inside and let me show you what I'm trying to talk about. Now we'll go back and get the device. This is it. I want to come close to where the cable is. So this is the device, and this is the cable. The solar panel cable actually extends it from outside down to inside. So you connect, as you can see, it pops up and automatically is showing 14.6 volt, assuming that the battery is fully charged, but whereas there's no power in it. So now what you notice is that once you connect the solar panel, you can actually do all the things. As you can see, the LED light, let me see, the LED light is actually powering up, and here's
the AC outlet. As you can hear that noise, I believe it's coming from the inverter or maybe any components that has been made of. Let me switch it off. Switch it on. The lamp comes up. I have to like shift the phone, the camera that I'm using, so we'll switch it off. Now once you disconnect this, automatically you see that it disconnects and nothing powers up, and as you can see, that beeping sound that is coming up right from there. So now let me explain to you how it actually got spoiled. It's actually it's an accident caused by my little daughter. It happens that if you noticed, let me show you something. This very cable actually bought another, yes, I've actually bought another cord just like this, which I connected to the original. The original one got stuck right here because my daughter misplaced. She was walking, then she trips, and the old one disconnects. Then this very port was stuck right in here. So in the process of trying to get it out, it seems I connected both the positive and the negative terminal, and it got spoiled. A little smoke came out from this portion right here and also from here. So since then it started malfunctioning. So all I have to do, like I said, maybe is to lose this up or maybe take it to a repairer so that they'll get it fixed. So in case you're using this, ensure that yes, you don't overload this. Like I said, it's a 150 watts solar power storage, so don't exceed that amount. I said it in that previous video, and like it states, use a 50 watts solar panel. So I've told you the reason why this got spoiled, so you have to prevent it. Don't actually make it to disconnect, and use it with care, because it's not that it's not a good device, it's actually a fault of mine, because my daughter actually damaged this. It's a little girl and it was unknowingly. So you have to prevent this, ensure a proper use of it. Then of course this device of yours is going to last. So like I said, I just want to show you. Then when I repair it, of course maybe I'll put up a video showing you that it's not working perfectly, but at the moment let me stick to the general solar power installation I did. Of course I've also uploaded a video about that, so go through my YouTube video, you see that, and of course you enjoy it. So we've come to the end of this video. I just want to show you talk about this device in this video. As you can see, it's still making that beeping sound. It will trip off in no distance time. So that's how I believe the components in this system, the device have spoiled, and of course I have to get it fixed. So I've come to the end of this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to get updates about how I'll fix this, and also go to the comment section and tell me how you fix yours in case you're using this device and you encountered the same problem that I'm facing at the moment. So see you in my next video, and like I said, like this video, share this video so any friend of yours that's using this device, for them to see and learn from it. Go to the comment section and tell me what you feel about the solar energy storage. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Ciao.